Two people did the same problem and got two different answers. So who did it correctly? Let's take a look at their work. The first person started with the parentheses, 2 plus 1, and got 12 divided by 2 times 3. Then they did 2 times 3, got 12 divided by 6, which is 2. That's how they got that. The second person also started with parentheses, because honestly, most people do start with parentheses when they see it. That's 12 divided by 2 times 3 again. But then they did 12 divided by 2. That's kind of a twist. And then they did 6 times 3, and they got 18. So the person who did it right is the person who followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside a grouping symbols first, then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. Since they both started the same way, let's take a look at that second line. The first person skipped the division and went and did the multiplication in the back. And the second person started with the division, which is the correct thing to do because you have to multiply and divide in order from left to right, whichever comes up first. But you got to do all the multiplying and dividing before you do adding or subtracting, unless it shows up inside parentheses like in this problem. So the correct answer is 18.